there's that Christmas tree. And all the Christmas lights. Oh, I didn't have much else to do, and I thought, if I can build any future for myself, change up the norm, actually no, whatever. If I can try something new, if I can, what is the quote? It's like, something about potential futures. If I can build a potential future out here, or find a new experience, well, I'm not gonna do it back at my computer. Best go outside, even if it's near pitch black. That's why I'm out here tonight. Just pump that up a little bit. It's nice out. It was sort of a sudden warm to, or the house I live in is actually pretty cold, but it ain't as cold as out here. Sort of a shift real quick. So, I guess I'm kind of used to this air. This sort of. Oh. I'm probably gonna be going around town or something. I don't expect there to be much out here. Not much going on. We'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty warmed up, pretty relaxed. And to think I'd be missing all this crazy coolness of the night if I had stayed in and just played some video games. Even though admittedly that's fun too. Though I enjoy being out here, especially at nighttime as well. Oh yeah, I didn't really say it too much in the last video or whatever video it was, but no more squeaky brakes. Those were taken care of. It was just my front one, so I pretty much have 2 extra brake pads. So that when my back ones get squeaky or my front ones get squeaky again, then I can take care of them. They shouldn't have any problems in a while. For a while though. If anything, I have 2 extras, which is kind of cool. It rained a bunch yesterday, so there's still lots of puddles. That was one of the reasons why I didn't really cycle yesterday. Let's see. Let me go straight. You may hear me talk a lot less of this one. It's a lot more than me just not having anything to talk about. I don't know, I just don't mind just staying quiet for a bit. It's pretty relaxing out right now. I smell donuts. Glorious donuts. Let's see if he wants to go. I'm gonna go here for a change. Let's see if the light will even notice me. Will even notice that I'm here. Probably will. Hello. I got one car turn left too. Christmas lights, yay. Let's see, is this next ride a court or is this a cut through to the school? It's a court. Okay. More Christmas lights, yay! We all get to look at Christmas lights. I'll admit Halloween was pretty cool, seeing everyone trick-or-treating and all the activity. But I also really like seeing the colors of Christmas lights on people's houses. Yeah. This should be it right here. That was a police car right there. Complete stop completed. They probably wouldn't have said anything. I stalled pretty good back there. More Christmas lights. I don't know if you can see it, but those little animated effects from some light generator. More here too. Oh, I'm glad I came out here tonight. Ripping police. Yeah, I smell a lot of smoke out here tonight. I almost think it's like a air conditioning smoke. Is that even a thing? It is quite cold out. Whatever it is, it's when I came out here, it's always just like, it smells so smoky. I'm gonna turn left here. It's great having no squeaky brakes. It's awesome. Let's see, what's going on with me? Well, for the last 2 days, or even more than that, I sort of discussed it in my previous biking vlog, but I ended up cutting it out because reasons. I've been overseeing a 360-degree 8K video that should be going up on my main channel, Past Life Pro, and maybe today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Something like that. I've been, for the last 2 days, attempting to get it working in my compression software. Handbrake. Sometimes it works. Actually, dealing with 8K and 360-degree resolution is, some types of it, some resolutions, some amounts of quality just doesn't load into the software. I don't know, it's hard to really say, but it probably is just the software just not being able to take on such a huge resolution. It's just the technology isn't quite there yet, but I'm just seeing what will happen if I produce such a crazy video as that. I don't know, I've got pretty much a shot in mind that I took and should be up one of these days. Maybe I'll like link it if you guys want to actually check it out on the main channel or the other main channel. I don't know, it's cool. It's a cool idea, definitely. I think of it as pretty innovative, at the very least. And then there are YouTubers that are just, can barely do 1080p. Look at me, I'm rendering out 8K. 8K, 360 degrees. I even had the idea of going 16K, but more than anything, just to see if I can be the first one to get it up on YouTube. To get the views. Fun stuff. Anyways, that's what's going on with me. Or at least when I'm on my computer. All the Christmas lights. Pretty cool. All those animated lights too. More Christmas lights. And the kid going, Let's keep going. I've been through here so many times that even going in here at night, I always know I'm going to go into a street I at least recognize, at least at some point. What I need is something on my bike that tells me the direction I'm going, like, oh yeah, west, east, north, so that I can, like, if a location I want to get to is south and I end up going somewhere else to try something new, I don't want to at least mess up the directions. There's a guy looking at me right there. What's he doing? Talking to himself. Oh yeah. I may go see if that giant house that put on some pretty cool Halloween stuff has some pretty cool lights as well. It is getting to be about that time. Let's go check it out. The cold temperature almost gives me an infinite supply of, I don't know, just energy. Let's get on over here, car behind me. Yeah, there it is. That house right there, I'm pointing at. Cool. It's got some pretty cool stuff too. They just like dressing up for the occasion. Oh, I've got an itch in the back of my neck. It's a giant house. I wonder if the whole thing's theirs. This is like the crazy nice side of Ripon. At least the house is anyway. Let's go on the sidewalk here. Pretty cool stuff. Now this is a bike lane, so I'm pretty much good here. Looks cool. Alright, I'm gonna turn around here. Oh, I've got like an itch in the back of my neck. Where my hairs are, where my hood is, so it's just replenishing that itch. Why? Okay. Alright, let's go to the trails. Or maybe not the trails, but just going down that bike lane that goes next to the water cleaning plants. I like how I say water. It's water, but I say it as water for some reason. Don't mind me. Let's keep going. Well, actually, have to get some water. I don't know, it's fun being out here. It's not as eventful as the exploding fire hydrant of water, which was my last vlog. But at least it gets some relaxing time. Yeah. Let's see, I think I continue on. Or I go here. Yeah, it's over here. Should bring me right alongside the golf course. Burp. Oh shoot, I didn't know they closed up this place. Huh, yeah, I never knew that. But they closed it up around now? It's only 6. Strange. It'd be even more crazy if they closed up the actual biking area. You crossed the line. I think if I turn here I can get around. So many lights, so much fun. Hi. Just saying hello. All right, next right should be our turn. Actually, wait, another one over, I think, because I usually go in with a roundabout. Roundabout's over on my left. Okay, this is the street. I found it. Into the darkness, where you're only going to be able to hear my voice and see only black. It'd be awesome if I can give you guys some super insane, I don't know, view of everything during the dark. Somebody give me the console. Give me the slash command. Give me the console working. Where's the tilde sign for real life to get me the console? The big man up top's got to give me op. Minecraft talk right there. Somebody op me, please. Maybe that's old. I know for me, I can see a little bit. If I was to stare directly where I want to see, it's black, you know the deal. But if I look up and kind of, how do I explain this? Use like the vision to look down while you're looking up. You can sort of see what you want to see. Now as for you guys, this GoPro is not taking in enough light for you to see that crazy good. All you might see is just those lights on the left or something. Either way, it's great having you guys around here. Just listening to my voice and seeing blackness. Oh. I like these rides through pitch blackness. This was pretty much the main reason I got myself out here. I was like, do I really want to go on a ride right now? It's cold. I could be in here. Do I really have to change my clothes to go outside since I still have my good clothes on for church? Do I really want to do that? Thought of going through the pitch black darkness out here. Yep, I'm out. Let's go. I was pretty bored anyway, just overseeing that 360-degree shot. It's probably still raining right now. Come on, After Effects, work harder. Thing is, with that sort of resolution, you need dedicated big softwares like After Effects to pull off such a large resolution. I can't remember what it was. Maybe like it's not 7680 by 4320. That's 8K regular, 16:9 resolution. This is a 2:1. Huh. Crazy nerd stuff. Fun stuff, fun stuff. I work on this stuff so much. It's ingrained into my head. It means I can't use Sony Vegas or Premiere Pro Gotta go with the big guns, After Effects. If I ever try to make a cinematic project, you know, like think of it as real life time lapse, like 12 clips, then it'll get interesting. You can't exactly play back through your shots unless you were to compress them a bunch. It gets too laggy. That's where test renders come in. Hello, everyone that actually understands what I'm talking about. Commentary is fun. It's great to be out here. I can see a tiny bit of red, very faded, like 20 or 10% opacity, but it's there. It's the last light of sunset. I can see loads of lights beyond those trees, sort of that my bike is pointing at. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know what it is, like a dirt mining plant out there or whatever it is. Whatever they're doing, they get lots of dirt. Stuff out there, but super dark out here. I wonder what it would be like if I was to bring my actual DSLR out and do like night time lapse out here. I'm sure it'd be fine. It'd probably be best taken to second person though. Anybody afraid of the dark? Time lapsing is a lot of fun. It just takes a long time. Actually, depending on the time lapse you want to do, I sort of made like a template so I can work with, so that I can build a time lapse specifically on the time I want to be there. So if I want to be there for a max of 20 minutes, I can create a time lapse with a template I have. I don't know. I haven't shared the template or anything like that since I primarily do Minecraft on my main channel and cycling on this channel. I always thought if I was to start doing real life time lapse a lot more on the main channel on Past Life Pro, then I'd release that. But as for now, it's a tool I have and I only have. Whoa, whoa. I actually never saw that. I mean, I thought there was only mining stuff out there, dirt. But here I saw houses. Is that what I'm seeing? I don't know if you guys can see this at all, but let me take this off. Look at right where I'm shining the light. There's like, I can see it better without the light shining it actually. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like there's houses over there. I have no idea. I didn't know anything was back there. Google Maps, you lied to me. Satellite view, maybe it's new. Very strange. Look at us. And like, who is that shining that super bright 600 lumens on us or whatever it is? I think it's medium, or else it's high on here. Either way, it'll blind people. You've pointed directly at their eyes. Interesting. Oh man. All these lights. Pretty cool. Hopefully there gets to be even more lights around when Christmas time actually does come up. Pretty cool. Merry early Christmas, guys. Merry early Christmas. Oh, it looks nice. Colors always make me a little bit more cheerful, especially in pitch black nightness. Well, kind of. We do get the moon. So cool. Thank you guys for watching. Look at those animations. I'm sure if I wanted to, I can find out where those strobe lights came from, or whatever the animation lights are. They look cool.